Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I was thinking about our routines and our activities.
I like to talk about my daily activities. Let's share our routines and what we did yesterday and last week.
Great. Let me start. What do you do in the morning, Ben?
In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and then I make breakfast. I usually eat toast with jam and drink a cup of tea. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I like to stretch and then I brush my teeth. After that, I make a cup of coffee and eat some cereal. I also check my phone for messages.
That sounds nice. After breakfast, what do you do next?
I leave home and go to work by bus. What do you do after breakfast?
I also leave home. I walk to the bus stop and then take the bus to my office.
What do you do for work, Ben?
I work in a small office. I am an accountant. I check numbers, write reports, and answer emails. What do you do for work?
I work in a shop. I help customers and arrange new products on the shelves. I like my job because I meet many people every day.
That is interesting. Now, let me ask, what do you do during your lunch break?
During lunch, I usually eat in the shop's small break room. Sometimes I eat a sandwich or a salad. I also talk with my friends. What do you do at lunch?
At lunch, I go to a nearby cafe. I have a light meal, like a soup or a salad, and I drink water or juice. I read a little news on my phone while I eat.
After lunch, what do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I return to work. I check more emails, attend a short meeting, and work on my computer. I also help my colleagues if they have questions. What do you do in the afternoon?
I work in the shop until 5 p.m. I answer customer questions and restock items on the shelves. Sometimes I help clean the store.
After work, what do you do, Alice?
After work, I often go for a walk in the park. I enjoy the fresh air and the quiet. Sometimes I call my friend or listen to music. What do you do after work?
I like to relax after work. I usually go to a cafe or sometimes meet a friend for coffee. I also like to read a book or watch TV when I get home.
Let's talk about yesterday. What did you do yesterday, Ben?
Yesterday, I woke up early as usual. I had breakfast and went to work. At work, I finished an important report. After work, I met my friend Tom at a cafe. We talked for an hour, and then I went home and cooked dinner. What did you do yesterday, Alice?
Yesterday, I woke up at 6:30 a.m. and got ready for work. I worked in the shop until 5 p.m. Then I met my friend Sarah at the park. We walked and talked for a while. After that, I went home, cooked dinner, and watched a movie.
That sounds like a good day.
Now, let's talk about last week. What did you do last week, Ben?
Last week was busy. On Monday, I had a meeting at work that lasted all morning. On Tuesday, I helped a colleague with a problem. On Wednesday, I went to work and then to a family dinner. On Thursday, I worked on a long report. On Friday, I finished work early and went to a small party with friends. On the weekend, I relaxed at home, cleaned my apartment, and even went shopping. What did you do last week, Alice?
Last week, I worked every day at the shop. I helped many customers and restocked items. On Monday, I arranged a new display. On Tuesday, I met a new customer and gave advice on products. On Wednesday, I worked very hard because the store was busy. On Thursday, I had a quiet day. On Friday, I closed the shop and then went to a small party with my neighbors. On Saturday, I visited my family. And on Sunday, I rested at home and read a book.
It sounds like you had a productive week.
Yes, I did. Let's talk about our free time. What do you do in your free time, Ben?
In my free time, I like to play football with my friends. I also like to watch movies and listen to music. Sometimes I use my phone to read articles or play simple games. What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and drawing. I sometimes paint simple pictures. I also like to cook new recipes. I use my free time to learn new things.
That is very nice, Alice. Learning new things is always good. Do you also use the internet for fun?
Yes, I do. I like to watch short videos on YouTube and talk with my friends on social media.
I use social media too. I often check Facebook and WhatsApp. They help me stay in touch with my family and friends.
Let me ask another question. What do you do on weekends, Ben?
On weekends, I usually sleep in a little later. I have a good breakfast at home. Then I go out, sometimes to the park, sometimes to the market. I like to visit a coffee shop and sometimes meet friends for a walk. I also use weekends to relax and watch TV or read a book. What do you do on weekends, Alice?
On weekends, I like to go shopping at the local market. I buy fresh fruits and vegetables. I also visit a nearby park to relax. Sometimes I cook a big meal for my family, and then we watch a movie together.
That sounds very relaxing. It is good to have quiet time on weekends.
I have more questions. What do you do when you have a holiday, Ben?
When I have a holiday, I like to travel. I go to a small town or visit family in another city. I also like to read and explore new places. Sometimes I take many photos. What do you do on holidays, Alice?
On holidays, I often visit my relatives in another town. I like to see old friends and relax. I also sometimes go to the beach, if the weather is nice. I love the sea and the sun.
That sounds wonderful. I like the beach too. It is very relaxing.
Now, let me ask, what do you do when you feel sad, Ben?
When I feel sad, I listen to music or take a walk. I also talk with a friend. I try to remember good moments. What do you do when you feel sad, Alice?
When I feel sad, I usually write in my journal. I write about my feelings and try to understand them. Sometimes I call my friend to talk, and that makes me feel better.
Writing is a good idea. It helps me too. I also sometimes watch a funny movie to change my mood.
I have another question. What do you do when you are happy, Ben?
When I am happy, I smile a lot. I call my family to share my good mood, and I often meet friends. I also like to do extra work, like playing football or cooking a nice meal. What do you do when you are happy, Alice?
When I am happy, I like to dance and sing. I share my happiness on social media. I also draw pictures to show my feelings.
That is great, Alice. It is good to show our feelings.
Let's talk about some special days. What did you do on your birthday last year, Ben?
On my birthday last year, I had a small party at home. I invited my friends and family. We ate cake, played games, and I received many nice gifts. I felt very happy and loved. What did you do on your birthday, Alice?
On my birthday last year, I went out to a nice restaurant with my family. I had a big cake, and many friends called me to wish me. I felt very special that day.
That sounds like a wonderful birthday. I always like to ask, what did you do on your birthday? Because birthdays are very important.
Yes, they are special days. They make us remember the good things in our life.
I also want to ask, what do you do when you have free time on a rainy day?
When it rains, I like to stay at home. I make hot tea, read a book, or watch my favorite TV show. What do you do on a rainy day, Ben?
I do similar things. I sometimes play games on my phone and then watch movies. I like to listen to the sound of rain. It makes me feel calm.
Let's compare our daily activities. What did you do yesterday morning, Ben?
Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7 a.m. I had a quick breakfast and then went to work. I answered many emails and attended a short meeting. What did you do yesterday morning, Alice?
I woke up at 6:45 a.m. I brushed my teeth, made a coffee, and read my messages. Then I took the bus to work. I was happy to see a sunny morning.
And in the afternoon, what did you do yesterday?
In the afternoon, I worked in the shop until 5 p.m. Then I went to the park for a walk. I met a friend and talked for a long time. What did you do yesterday afternoon, Ben? In the afternoon, I stayed in my office. I worked on my report and then had a small break. I talked with a colleague about our new project. It was a busy time, but I managed my work well. What did you do yesterday evening, Ben?
Yesterday evening, I went to a coffee shop near my home. I met my friend Sam, and we talked about our plans for the weekend. After that, I went home, cooked dinner, and then watched a funny movie. What did you do yesterday evening, Alice?
Yesterday evening, I cooked dinner at home. I made pasta and a salad. After dinner, I called my sister, and we talked for a long time. I then watched a TV show before I went to bed.
Thank you for talking with me, Alice. I enjoy our discussions very much.
Thank you, Ben. I hope we can talk like this every day. It is fun to share our daily routines and past activities.
I promise, Alice. Next time, we can also talk about our plans for tomorrow and what we will do in the future.
That is a good idea.
Yes, that will help us plan our day. I look forward to our next chat.
Me too, Ben. Have a wonderful day today.
I will, Alice. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.
Goodbye, Ben.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.